Hey everyone, when COVID-19 has spread all around us and has infected to every second person, so at this point of time, two things are very important. First is we should try not to catch the virus, and second, if someone gets infected, then he should be cured and recovered fast. So in today's video, I'm showing soup's recipe of two superfoods which will improve immunity of a healthy person as well as it helps in curing and recovering COVID patients speedily. So let's get started. In a heated pan, take 2 spoons of ghee. Then add some whole spices like 2 cloves, 2 black peppers, 1 small cinnamon stick. Roast it for some time. And then add 1 onion. Saute it for 1 minute. Now I am adding 1 piece of ginger, 1 piece of raw turmeric and 2 to 3 garlic cloves. These are full of antioxidants and helps in improving immunity of the body. Now I will add tomatoes. If you get amla or gooseberries, you can add amla instead of tomatoes. It will increase vitamin C nutrition of the soup. As it is not the season of amla, so at times it becomes difficult to get the amla. Here I am adding half raw mango, which is also a great source of vitamin C. In summer season, raw mangoes are easily available. You can add it as well. And if amla or raw mangoes are not available, you can use 2 to 3 tomatoes. It will enhance the taste. Now I have added 1 drumstick or sehjan. It was also loaded with many vitamins and minerals and very good for health. Now I am adding 1 spoon of salt. Mix it well. Now add 1 cup of bottle gourd or lauki. Bottle gourds are rich source of antioxidants, vitamin C, zinc and other minerals which helps in improving immunity and provides good gut health for COVID patients as well as for non-COVID patients. Nowadays everyone is taking vitamin C and zinc pills, so why not take these vitamins and minerals naturally from these superfoods? I have added a bunch of fresh coriander leaves which is also loaded with many vitamins and minerals. After that I have added 2 cups of water. Boil it until bottle gourd becomes soft and mushy. In this way of cooking, micronutrients of the food remains intact. But when you don't have time and also there are families whose all the members are infected and they are cooking by themselves, then they can pressure cook it for 2 to 3 whistles to save the time because bottle gourd sometimes takes more time in becoming soft. Open the lid once the steam is released and let it cool down completely. It is cooked properly. And now take a strainer and strain the pulp. Now I am removing drumsticks, cloves, black peppers, cinnamon sticks. Now take a masher and mash it properly. In this way, pulp of the vegetable will go into the soup and makes it healthier. Also, you can grind in grinder to make its soup quickly. Bottle gourd or Loki is one of the healthiest food on the earth. But the bad thing about this is that most of the people and kids don't like its taste. But for this soup, you don't need to tell everyone that this is bottle gourd. Just serve it and they won't be able to know that this is the soup made up with their most hated veggie. If you want to make this soup quickly, just boil all the ingredients or pressure cook with water and simply grind to make soup. Mix it well and boil it for 2 more minutes and serve hot. One should always drink soups when they are hot so that they will relieve the sore throat, cold, cough symptoms as in COVID-19 patients. I hope you will like this tasty and healthy soup. Please share your feedback in the comment section. In a heated pan, take 2 spoons of ghee or butter. Then add some whole spices like 2 black peppers, 2 cloves, 1 small piece of cinnamon stick. Saute it. Now I am adding 3 cloves of garlic, 1 piece of ginger and 1 piece of raw turmeric. Saute it for 1 minute. Now add 1 onion and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. It is almost done now. Now I am adding half raw mango or kacha aam, which is a great source of vitamin C. Saute it as well. Now I am adding 1 tomato. Tomatoes are also a rich source of vitamin C. Ginger, garlic and raw turmeric have antioxidant and antibacterial properties, which are again good for your immunity. Add 1 spoon of salt. Mix it well. Now I am adding 1 cup of beetroot. Beetroot is one of the superfood which is an excellent source of vitamin C, folate, vitamin A, which helps in boosting immunity and digestive system as well, which is very good for a healthy person as well as for a COVID patient. Now I am adding 2 cups of water. Mix it well. Then pressure cook it for 2 whistles. Open the lid once the steam is released. It is cooked properly. Now I am removing cinnamon stick, cloves, black pepper and ginger. Transfer it to a grinder jar to make a fine paste. Now take a strainer and strain the paste. Check the consistency and add the water if it is required. Add some salt if required. Boil it for 2 minutes. and add some garam masala or crushed black pepper or butter for your taste. Serve this healthy and delicious beetroot soup hot. I hope you will like this recipe.